Hello, I'm called Longin Komezusenge. I'm a veterinarian. My education background is veterinary medicine. I've studied from University of Rwanda, College of Agriculture and Veterinary Medicine. I've born from Northern Province, from Rwanda. I've born in 1991. Then I've studied 5 years from my university. Then my research was about bovine brucellosis. Yeah. Then I finished it from 2018. Then from that year, after that, I got chance immediately to work in a project private company of raising broiler chicken. It was being sponsored by USAID. So I was in charge of poultry technician, and I was caring 150 families, and each family were having 100 birds. So for that, my responsibility was to be sure that if they have got each and everything they need so that they can raise their chicken well, like shavings, charcoal stove, if they have got the full number of chickens, to know the vaccination, to know if they are ready to be sold, to know if they have gotten their profit. Then after that, in the end of 2018 until in the middle of 2020, I got chance to go in Israel. So I got training which is called cross-border agriculture learning by doing from Israel. So he sent me in a TV farm from Jordan Valley, and that farm was having different farms like chickens, fish, and dates. But I got chance to work in chickens and dates. So in chickens, my responsibility were to know if they are ready to be vaccinated, and assisting in vaccination, to know if they are having enough shavings, if they have enough ventilation, if they have enough oxygen, sorting, check if there is some dead birds, and then I remove them, lifting them, because the place of brooding, different place of to become mature. Then after that, I came back from there. Then I come here in Rwanda during from 2021 until now. After getting here, I got a chance to work in a veterinary pharmacy where I'm a director manager of that company. It's called It is Elevate Services. Then my responsibility is budgeting, purchasing the drugs, inventory, client farm visit. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.